Are you running a help desk or a magic show? Because when we analyze many GLPI environments, we see tickets being opened and then quickly closed. But the most important part, the actual work performed, is not documented. The middle work is invisible, and that invisibility is hurting your ability to manage your service department, whether it's IT, HR, facilities, or any team using GLPI to track internal services. That is why support teams are feeling overloaded. You believe you might need more staff, but when it's time to justify the hiring, investing in new tools, or asking for more budget, you don't have any evidence since tasks and time tracking were never properly used. GLPI provides structured fields for tasks and real duration tracking, though in many projects they remain unused. You might have a ticket count report, but 5 password resets are not equal to 1 server migration. Without tasks breakdown and time tracking, they look identical in reports, and this will certainly distort your perception of workload. There's a concept I've read of one of our evangelists that is called the trees and forest principle. You are focused on closing individual tickets, the trees, but what you actually need to manage is the forest, your resource planning. And resources are not only hardware or software. Your most critical resource is your team and their time. In GLPI, tasks are where service value becomes measurable. They tell you 3 essential things. 1, who actually performed the work. 2, how long the work really took. And 3, what was actually done to build knowledge over time. When you start logging time properly in GLPI, you unlock real planning capabilities and really check workload to identify bottlenecks. You will be able to prove that 40 hours per week are really spent on recurring low-value incidents and justify automations, or even new tools. If you are using a professional environment like GLPI Network Cloud, this becomes even more critical, because scaling your number of agents only makes sense if you understand how your current capacity is being used. Task tracking transforms perception into data and turns the phrase, "I think we are overloaded," into "here is the workload distribution." Don't let your team's work disappear inside closed tickets. Instead, use the task and time tracking features available in GLPI, making time to resolve a real KPI. What is your biggest challenge regarding task management? Let's talk about it on the comment section.